hear me? Okay, so again, thanks, and I'm sure you guys are all here for CHEMONSTRATIONS O Week, that's the title. And I hope you guys are going to have a lot of fun in the next half an hour or 45 minutes or so, because we have quite a lot of stuff lined up for you guys today. Just a show of hands, who's here actually doing your first year chemistry course? So most of you, good, and you're not very shy about it, that's good as well. For those who did not put up their hands, I'm just going to assume that you guys are here just to see some cool experiments. So, what is chemistry? Anyone want to point out? Right. Let's put these lights down. Okay, so chemistry is a central science and it's clearly the best. Now, the reason why, not just me, but everyone says this, is because physics, you can think of it as being one side of the spectrum and biology being the other side. Chemistry sits right in between. And in chemistry, whichever field you want to take up, you can kind of lean whichever side you want to go to. You can go really theoretical, which is quite close to the physics side. You can go to a lot of biology kind of stuff too. So really, chemistry is a central science. And we're going to try and do some cool things similar to this, not quite the same, but do not be concerned, that is supposed to happen. But we're going to try and do some things like this for you guys today. We're going to try and blow some stuff up and all in safety. Okay, let's move on. That was a bit of a teaser, we'll be doing that a few times. So what is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of matter and the changes it undergoes. So these are the kind of things that you guys will be studying. And what's really cool about being a chemist, besides doing things like this, is we get to blow things up, you can make a mess, you can use lasers as well, like this. You can use X-rays and neutrons, especially like the forms of a beam, so that's kind of cool as well. You can use liquid nitrogen, which is going to be one of the demonstrations that we'll be using, showing you guys today. And we can also make a lot of pretty colours out of all sorts of salts and all sorts of solvents. And we also write equations, calculate walls, fields up, walls and watch glass. That's not important. Basically, chemistry has it all. And we hope that you guys in your first year will really enjoy it. So first off, we would like to start off something that is related to what you guys saw over there, is the Hindenburg accident, I guess you could call it. This is actually made by the Germans. It is actually quite colossally huge. This picture doesn't quite do it justice. This thing is the length a little bit longer than 3 747s put lengthwise side by side. And it's also twice the height. It is also twice the height of 2 747s stacked on top of each other. So this thing is absolutely massive. And how was this designed was that over here you've got this little cabin room, they call this the gondola. Okay, so everyone could sit in there and get these awesome, very nice views from the top. And inside here, you can't quite see it, but just this little slip here, that's where all the cabins are and where everyone was living. Of course, we needed some kind of lift for an airship like this, and they decided to use hydrogen gas. Pretty good decision, maybe, I don't know. They tried to use helium, but there was some kind of helium export ban going on at that time. So, obviously, problems occurred. We got ignition, so that's actually not even, people aren't even sure why the Hindenburg actually ignited, but I guess the idea to learn from here is try not to stay next to hydrogen gas. So I guess with this experiment what we've got going on here is we're bubbling a detergent with hydrogen gas and the bubbles lift up. Okay. So that was a particularly nice one. Round of applause for that one. Okay, just need to show a little bit of patience. So we're trying to simulate the Hindenburg with no casualties, I guess. If you're also interested, this effect that you see with the flame is the same effect that they used to blow up the Death Star in Star Wars. So this is the same effect. Early days of Photoshop. Good work. Let's try one more time. Try one more time, Kat. Yeah, go. Blast it away. Nice. Okay, thank you very much, guys. One more.